Hi there, thank you very much for joining me. It's Mohammed Fahim. IELTS is one of the tests that most often confuses students, and students get confused and feel psychological burden and pressures, and they remain unable to perform at their best. So first of all, when you appear for IELTS, the best thing is that you need to muster up your courage. And when you go into the room, you just think one thing, that you are here just to show your skills, and they are not going to take anything from you, I mean financially or anything. First, when you enter into room, they ask a similar question, and the purpose of all these questions is to muster up your courage, to boost your motivation so that you feel comfort. They ask about your full name. First of all, they say, please take a seat, and then they ask you, what is your full name? And you have to tell your full name, not a short name. For instance, if my full name is Mohammed Abdullah Fahim, I have to call it as, or I have to say it that my full name is Mohammed Abdullah Fahim, my surname is Fahim, and my first names are Mohammed Abdullah. And then they ask you the next question, what shall I call you? And then you have to tell about your preferences, that you can call me Fahim or you can call me Mohammed. And then they ask similar question from everybody. It can be about your hometown, it can be about study, it can be about your hobby, it can be about traveling, such type of questions that are actually posed to you to understand that how much confident you are, and and if you are fluent to speak English. And this is actually the base to start up. For instance, if they ask you, where are you from? Don't give the short answer. Tell them, for example, if I am from Lahore, I have to tell them that I am from Lahore. It's a metropolitan city of Pakistan, and it's the regional capital as well of Punjab province. It is also known because of its educational and business institutions. So this is how you can expand your answer, and you can expand in a convincing way. And similarly, if they ask you about your hobby, do not tell that I play cricket, or I play hockey, or I like cooking, but extend these answers. For instance, you can say, my hobby is cooking, but I do not cook always. But my preferences are, when I am in home, I cook for me and for my family, because it not only gives me a chance to prove my cooking skills, but also it's a good option and good chance to build a unique relationship with your family. And sometimes I prepare certain dishes that I not only like but love them, but I want others just to taste them to get their expressions on my cooking skills. So this is how you can extend your questions. Please remember, the first 3 or 4 questions in the first part are always the same. So for first 30 seconds to 1 minute, you are just in an environment that's very comfortable and easy for you. Indeed, the first whole section of IELTS test lasts from 1 to 4 minutes. Is very easy, and it's the base for building up your motivation to encourage you to feel comfort in this very examination environment. See you in the next video with more details. Thank you, Mohammed.